In my day of working at J29, I get a lot of ideas thrusted to me to create. A lot of people don't realize what it takes to make an idea a reality. A lot of times when people come to me with those ideas, some people have these giant ideas, some people are really small, they're thinking too small. And my job is mostly, a lot of it is actually not just shooting, but educating them on what it takes to make what they want possible. A lot of times people do come to me with these giant ideas, these fantastic ideas. I'd love to shoot them, and I do want to shoot them. But I don't think they always understand how many resources it takes to create something that huge, and also how much time it takes. When you are trying to get something of quality, something that really hits the heart of the viewer or anything like that, it just takes a lot of time and money, especially a lot of work, which goes into both of those. There's a reason why there's so many people who work on any sort of production. You got all the brainstorming and writing sessions, and you got the script and all the revisions. You have the storyboarding, the breakdown. We have to get the actors, the casting process of creating the flyer, going to the specific people to get the actors, having prep meetings with them, making sure that they're on board, making sure that they have everything they need to succeed. Not even talking about the crew, which is kind of the same way, figuring out which crew you need, what equipment you need to rent, what cameras you need, what specifics that the client needs, what's the location, what are we allowed to do at the location. There's so much, and that usually should be the standard for most shoots. Almost every video does have those elements in play, and if it seems simple, that's because the people you're working with are making it simple for you. That does mean I technically did my job of giving them good, simple experience, but I do have to remind them that it is not at all simple.